Welcome to SGT Times Explainer. I am Ashutosh. In today's explainer, we'll try to explain what is the Delhi High Court's decision on the Rooh Afza trademark, what makes a strong trademark, what were the reasons given by the court for halting the manufacture and sale of beverages bearing the trademark Dil Afza. The Delhi High Court in case of Hamdard National Foundation versus Sadar Laboratories Pvt restrained Sadar Laboratories from manufacturing and selling beverages under the contested trademark Dil Afza on December 21st. The court observed that the trademark Rooh Afza is a strong trademark that requires a high level of protection due to its immense goodwill. What exactly is a trademark? A trademark is a distinguishing sign or indicator used by a business to differentiate its products or services from those of other entities. It functions solely as a badge of origin, identifying a specific business as a source of goods or services. The unauthorized use of a sign that is identical or deceptively similar to a registered trademark is known as a trademark infringement. What is the point of contention? The makers of Rooh Afza filed an appeal against the denial of their application for an interim injunction against Sadar Laboratories Pvt for their products Dil Afza. The appellant stated in court that the trademark Rooh Afza is a well-known brand in the Sharbat market. Furthermore, it was claimed that the design of the product Dil Afza is deceptively similar to the appellant's products get-up and trade dress. What was the verdict of the court? A division bench of the Delhi High Court barred the respondent from manufacturing or selling any product bearing the trademark Dil Afza until the trademark infringement suit was resolved. It is not difficult to imagine that a person looking at the label of Dil Afza may recall the label of Rooh Afza, as the word Afza is common and the meaning of the words Rooh and Dil when translated in English are commonly used in conjunction, the court said. Ms. Kirodimal Kashiram Marketing and Agencies Private Limited versus Ministry Sita Chawal Udyog Mill, the Delhi High Court ruled that it is not permissible to copy a prominent part of another person's registered trademark and barred the respondent from using the trademark Golden Deer because it was deceptively similar to the plaintiff's registered trademark Double Deer concerning rice. What exactly is a strong trademark? When a mark is well known and has gained a high degree of goodwill, it is said to be strong. The degree of protection afforded to a trademark varies with its strength. The stronger the mark, the greater the need to protect it. Rooh Afza requires more protection because it is more likely to be subjected to piracy by those seeking to take unfair advantage of its goodwill, the court ruled. What were the court's justifications? Firstly, the impunged trademark Dil Afza has a phonetic similarity with Rooh Afza. Secondly, if recall from memory is triggered by the English meaning of the words Rooh and Dil, the fact that heart and soul is a commonly used phrase provided a common conceptual background. Third, the impunged trademark's trade dress, which includes the shape and design of the bottle, the placement of the housemark, and the colorfully busy design of the label are material contributors to the competing trademark's commercial impressions. Finally, the product's value was taken into consideration. The court concluded that given the product is a low-priced consumable item, the ordinary buyer would not ponder on the intricacies of the product as one would do while considering a high-value investment choice. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.